Brad Hall here, and look at this. It is a box. It's from Adidas. I have no idea what's inside of this box, and I can't wait to find out. So let's find out together. Welcome back to What's in This Box. It is a show where I guess what's inside of a box, and we see if I'm correct. This episode is happening thanks to the very generous people at Adidas. They sent me this. Can't wait to open it up. Now, currently, my record on this show is 0 for 2. Today, I am going to try to turn that around, and I am feeling pretty good about my guess. I think I'm going to get on that scoreboard with this one. So this particular box, it is sized perfectly for a pair of shoes. So I am definitely thinking there are some shoes in here. I also noticed some big Adidas news earlier this week. Pharrell delivered a brand new NMD colorway to King Push, and he did it in a really cool way. The shoes were brought in on a robot dog. It just pranced around with those shoes on its back. So with all of that in mind, I am thinking a pair of shoes, but this box, it's not big enough for that Boston Dynamics robot dog. Instead, I think there's gonna be a different type of cool robot in here, a much smaller one, a Roomba. That would be just as cool as that robot dog. So that is my final guess. I can't wait to see if that's actually in here. So let's get to it. I do see that HU on the top. So it is at least a pair of Pharrell NMDs, I assume. And there's no extra Roomba in there, but there is a pair of shoes, and I am still hot on this trail. Can't wait to show you what's inside of here because, well, it's very cool, and it also means that I did get that part right. This is, let me get the other one. I got so excited that I got it right, I forgot to pull out the other shoe. I'm gonna put this one, let's just show it. Well, I'll give it a good spin really quickly. This is very nice looking. And look at this too, there's a little note with it. And it says that cream colorway with black, pink, and blue details. I can confirm that is correct. Lots of cream on there. You've got that little bit of pink back there, that's very nice. Some blue, I love that blue. I'm a big sucker for blue. So the card, it does have the colors correct. And it also says, well, this is pretty incredible here. This is pair 28 of 490. There are only 490 pairs of these, so that makes it feel pretty special. That was very cool. Just really quickly, I'm gonna take you through this shoe. I do love this upper. It's heavy. It's kind of like a sock. It's got this ribbed effect that's really nice. The lettering is raised and it's kind of fuzzy and it feels really good. I love that it stands out that much more from that knit upper. Spin this one around a little bit. Just gonna give you a full spin. A little on-foot action here. See if we can get it in that second camera. It's gonna be, there we go. Whoop, there we go. Now we're in that second camera. You're really gonna like this footage. It's very good. Let me just, you can see here, look at this. You really get it here. That kind of exaggerated sock-like ribbing on there. So a quick recap. I guessed the brand new Pharrell NMD colorway, and I thought it would be delivered by a Roomba. There was no Roomba in the box, but I did get the shoe right. So I am giving myself a half credit, bringing my total record to 0.5 for 3. Thanks once again to Adidas for this incredible shoe. I'm very excited about this one. And thank you all for watching.